This video we're going to talk about Pythagoras. This should be a recap from grade 9. Right, Pythagoras' theorem. First off, it only works on right-angled triangles. So, no right angle, no Pythagoras. And if we label these sides A, B and C, then we can say that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So the sum of the square of A and the square of B equals the square of the hypotenuse. So let's put a few numbers in here and just see it working. So if I say this is 6 and this is 7, so I'll put the numbers into the equation. So that gives me 6 squared plus 7 squared equals C squared. So 36 plus 49 equals C squared. So that comes out at what, 85 equals C squared. So take the square root of both sides. So that's the square root of 85 equals C, and that comes out at 9.219. And then I'll just shorten this down to two significant figures to 9.22. And that's essentially how Pythagoras works when you know these two sides. Let's do another one where you have to work out one of the other sides. You're given the hypotenuse. So let's say you know that is 9, you know that is 12. So then we can, and this side here is B. So we know that 9 squared plus B squared equals 12 squared. So the first thing I want to do is rearrange it a little bit to get this B on its own. So I'll subtract 9 squared from both sides. So that's 9 squared plus B squared minus 9 squared is equal to 12 squared minus 9 squared. And obviously that and that cancel out. So what I'm left with is B squared equals 12 squared minus 9 squared. So that is equal to 144 minus 81. So that's 63. Yeah. So then B is equal to, and I just look this up, take the square root of both sides, and that will give me my answer, which comes out at 7.937 off the calculator. And again, I'll just shorten this down to two significant figures, 7.94, so B equals 7.94. One of the fundamental quality of triangles we're going to talk about is there is always 180 degrees inside a triangle. So we've got three angles like that. Add the values for these three angles together, they always equal 180. Angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. So if this was, say, 50 degrees, and that's 30 degrees, then you can just simply see that that one has to equal 100 degrees. That's a fundamental property of a triangle which you'll use again and again and again. Okay, so that's it for now.